Lesson 1: Anatomical Terminologies. Anatomical terms, planes, and axes provide a common language to describe body positions and movements, helping professionals in sports, healthcare, and rehabilitation analyze motions, detect injuries, and design effective training or recovery plans. The standard arrangement of the body is used for reference when studying anatomy. The anatomical positions is where the body is erect and at rest. Both feet are flat on the floor and slightly separated. Arms are down by side, held slightly away from the body. Head, eyes, palms, and toes are all facing front. First example of anatomical positions are directional terms. Describe the position of structures relative to other structures or locations in the body. So as we see at the picture number 1. Next is superior or cranial. Towards the head and or upper part of the structure or the body above. Example, head is superior to the chest. Next is inferior or caudal. Away from the body, head and or towards the lower parts of the structure or the body below. Example, feet are inferior to the knees. Next is anterior or ventral. Please read. Overall, anatomical terms give us a common way to talk about the parts of the body and how they move. Everything is based on the anatomical position where person stands upright, faces forward, arms down at the side, and palms facing out. Movements are explained using 3 main body parts or planes. The sagittal plane, which split the body into the left and right. The frontal plane, which separates the front and back. And the transverse plane, which cuts across the body to show the top and the bottom. Each of these planes has its own movement axis, side to side or mediolateral, and 4 sagittal movements, front to the back or antero-posterior for frontal movement. Also, we have vertical for movement and the transverse plane. This organized system helps us understand how the body moves and function properly.